From the previous video, we created a levitating water droplets using bamboo, and we created a sex limited traits model. So right now, since wala akong budget to buy any materials for experiments, that's why I think it is a good idea to find something interesting sa mga basura. And it is also interesting if you will join me. So right now, kumuha ako ng panghukay kasi we cannot directly use our hands kasi actually baka may ahas or something na harmful, so that's why using this is a good idea. Totoo lang, may nakita na ako dito nung isang araw and I don't know if it is still there, but let's see kasi parang hindi naman siya nagalaw. Mahirap na siyang hanapin kasi medyo natabunan na. Oops, finally it's there. Pinagilid ko muna kasi ibinalik ko yung kahoy sa bahay. Aluminum plate. Confirm, it is aluminum. This is interesting kasi sakto may sodium hydroxide ako sa bahay. Siyempre, maganda kung hugasan muna at patuyuin.
Nagpasalamat naman ang senadora sa pagbiti ni Senador Rafi Tulfo sa mga irregularidad sa Lotto Draw sa pagdinig ng Senate Ways and Meals Subcommittee noong January.
So right now, tuyo na siya. Let's see and confirm. Yeah, there's an immediate reaction. So, in this reaction, we will expect the formation of sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. Of course, it is because the aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide and water to produce sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. But our main goal is to directly collect the hydrogen gas that formed in this reaction. Once we already collected, we will need to get a stick, of course, a thing that can ignite the hydrogen gas inside an empty bottle. So, through this, as you can see, we simply made a rocket. Remember, in hydrogen gas, any source of ignition can cause fire and explosion. So, it is important to handle this in caution. Some attempting to use this to inflate balloons, but it is not advisable. So, mas maiging gamitin nyo yung helium. It's because it is not flammable. It's safer. So, that's all for this video. Hope you all like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.